Security Minister Robert Montague launches Jamaica Eye.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
As part of the government of Jamaica's crime plan, the National Security Minister on Wednesday launched the Jamaica Eye program. It involves the creation of a national closed-circuit television CCTV system that will assist in the fight against crime, public safety, as well as disaster response.
Jamaica Eye is part of an island-wide network of camera surveillance systems designed to increase the safety of you, our citizens. If you have a camera system outside your home or office facing a public space, join us in helping to make Jamaica a safer place for all.
Security Minister Robert Montague announced that his ministry has already implemented cameras in public spaces such as
the Ministry of National Security has already implemented cameras in public spaces in Kingston, Montego Bay, Mandeville, Ocho Rios, Maypen, and Negril. But before now, they were never network, never connect. We are going to have one central control center, and then we will be having 5 monitoring centers. Control center is the nerve center of this system. The advancement in digital technology through the Jamaica Initiative will allow our police and army to cover more areas. It will be a force multiplier. Everyone working at the control center has already been vetted to the highest level. Every activity in the control center will be recorded and therefore it can be audited. There is a rigorous audit regime because we want to protect the integrity of the Jamaica Eye.
Jamaica has joined other countries like the United Kingdom, France and China in building out a national CCTV system. The program will use cameras installed by the government as well as CCTV feeds from private individuals once they have a digital camera covering public spaces.
The funding for this program has all been local, has all been government of Jamaica funds carved by my PS out of our budget of $181 million have been spent so far. And the bang we have gotten for that buck is immeasurable.
Log on to jamaicaeye.gov.jm today. Jamaica Eye, we're all connected. The Ministry of National Security, creating a safer and prosperous Jamaica.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.